welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Starbear. It is so nice to meet you. Guess what we're doing today? I'm back today with another recipe from the Adventure Time Cookbook. What are we making today? We are making Lady Rainicorn and Lord Monochrome Bundt cake. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Oh my god, look. The recipe is by Ice King, and I like how he drew them. Like, oh my god. I want to thank Honey Bagel over on TikTok for suggesting this recipe. I am so excited to try making this today. I have never made bundt cake before. I've always wanted to try, and what better time than now? Oh my gosh, thank you. If you guys are interested in seeing me try something from the Adventure Cookbook, I will have options. I'll have it on the screen, I'll have it down here, and I'll have it in the comments, so could be something you might be interested in. I guess I don't make cake often, or bundt cake. I mean, obviously it's my first time, but like the recipe called for like 6 cups of sugar, and I only got it down to 4. Even that feels a lot, but I mean, I'm sure it will be fine. I don't know, but like, that's so much sugar. Oh my gosh. But it makes one cake. And we have a little note up here, and we have a little note right down here. This cake represents a beautiful romance that can only exist in a land of fantasy. Lady Rainicorn, Lord Monochromicorn, 2 perfect opposites flying in an unbroken ring. I'm making a cake based off of Ice King's fanfic. we have this note right down here that says, "Hey, what is this? Who's making cakes about my lady and some other horses dude I've never met? Shut it down, Jake." It doesn't require too many steps, and we're also going to be making a lemon glaze right on the top of it, so lemon glaze. That is pretty interesting because like I didn't really notice, because I was wondering why it was like lighter here, and then I thought it was a shadow over here. I don't know if you can really tell. I don't know if this is doing it too much justice, but now that that's thing, like I can see this over here, like how it's like going into chocolate and not. So that's cool. That's cool. My first bundt cake, and we're doing like a little half and half, little fancy action going on. Wow. I know it's gonna be a mess because there's so much stuff to like making it, but I mean, it's a cake. I don't want to say how bad can it go, but I've been having really bad luck lately, so how great can it go actually? Reverse psychology or something. Anyway, let's get started. And here are all the ingredients. And not all that. Look at all that butter, 1 pound. Wow. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Heavily grease a bundt cake with butter and then coat with flour. In a large bowl, beat butter with an electric or stand mixer on medium speed. Gradually add sugar, mixing until light in color and fluffy. Beat in eggs one at a time. Gradually add flour alternately with the milk, then mix in vanilla extract. Split the batter in half and add the sprinkles on one of the halves and the cocoa powder on the other. That's crazy. Pour the batter into opposite sides of the pan at the same time. Bake for 1 hour and 40 minutes, or until a toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. Cool in pan for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove and place on a wire rack. That looks good. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my god. It broke a little bit down here, but that's okay. Oh my god. It's a bundt cake. Oh my god. Okay, need to let it cool a little bit more, but oh my god. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I didn't get it even, but I got it like close enough, I want to say. Though I did use more of the Lady Rainicorn sprinkles. This looks good. It looks like those things when we go to the bundt cake store.
It looks really good.
Can you smell the chocolate?
I can.
Are you excited? I'm gonna ice it and let it cool. Let it cool a little bit more, and then I'll ice it, and then we can try it.
What's this have?
This is vanilla.
Does it look like a fruit cake?
Oh, this is sprinkles.
Oh, okay.
For the lemon glaze, mix all the ingredients together into a smooth paste. Glaze feels too thick, add half a teaspoon of water at a time until desired consistency is reached. Use this to glaze the bundt cake. I don't know how to do this. Oh, it's falling! It's falling! Okay, let's just don't get too heavy-handed. It's too late, I already did. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's doing the thing. Oh my god, it's doing the thing. Okay. Oh my god, it's doing the thing. Maybe a little bit more. Like, oh no, that might have been too much. I said a little bit. Dude, it looks like it. Are you kidding me? Holy crap. I'm losing my marbles. Well, I always lose my marbles actually. I'm using all this. It's gonna be an icing ass cake. Just keep spinning. This seems to be working. Oh my god, it looks like it. Do you see this? Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap. She's so beautiful. Alright, and here's the reveal. Wow, she looks so pretty. Just like me. Oh wait, what? Sorry, I almost went into how I talk to my little kitty cat. Oh my god, it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to cut the cake now. Oh my god, it looks so good. This isn't a good cake cutting knife, but okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna get a chocolate. Well, I'm gonna get where it has both. Oh my god. Did I cut it? Okay, I don't know. That might be too big of a piece, or it might not. Okay, beesh. I know I tried to do the thing. Oh my god. Is she? Who is she? The plate to catch it. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Can you see this side? It's just chocolate melt. So, okay, hold on. Here's the side, right? There's this side. Okay, now let's flip it over. Unless we make it ugly. I don't know, we'll see. Oh! Yeah! Look! Oh my god, that looks so good. Alright, and Mr. Bear likes chocolate. I don't think I gave him a good piece. Oh my god. Okay. Look. It looks so good. Quick. god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's heavy. This one stressed me out so badly, so I'm so happy it turned out so pretty. Are you joking me? Oh my god, it looks good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Even if it's bad. Actually, I'm sure it smells good. I don't think it's gonna be bad. I don't know. We'll see.
Soft.
I know. Oh my god.
No.
She's moist.
That's pretty good.
You like it?
Mhm.
Me too. Yeah. All right.
They're bundt cake.
Yay! Another one done. I went into this super excited to try making a bundt cake for the first time. And the only reason why it was so stressful is because I didn't use a big enough plate or bowl. Like the bowl I used was too small and I didn't think I had another one, but then I found my right one. So I was able to save it, but it was already too late. I was stressed. I was stressed the fuck out. I thought I ruined it because I beat the butter first and then I didn't add the sugar gradually, but then I like did it after and I was worried that I was gonna overdo it. And then I was scared the sugar wasn't going to dissolve. Dude, and it was making a mess everywhere. It was getting everywhere. It was getting on my shirt. It was getting on the walls. It was getting on the floor. Oh my god, I was not having a good time, I'll be honest. But it turned out beautiful. So maybe beauty comes from tears. I'm sorry, that was terrible. Honestly, if I had made it with the right size bowl in the first place, I don't think I would have had anywhere near of a bad time. But like I'm still happy with how it turned out. As soon as I was able to put it into the oven finally, oh, it was like whoosh, weight lifted off my shoulders. So yay, another one done. We did it again. What do you guys think of it? Do you guys like bundt cakes? I love those little mini bundt cakes and I've always wanted to try doing the have you seen them do that? It was pretty cool. But yay, another one done. Would I make it again? I think so. If I like I said earlier, if I like had it all set up correctly in the first place, maybe. And also I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit more liquidy and it wasn't. So yeah, now I have an experience. Bacon and bundt cake. I don't know why I said it weird like that, but whatever, like I wanted to give up. I literally wanted to give up halfway through so badly and I was like, no, I put too much. I literally was like, no, I put too much work into the whiteboard. It's too cute to throw it away. And then of course I did put a lot of work into like baking it and shit, but like I was more concerned about how happy and cute it turned out. So no, it's not the best, okay? Thank you again for the comment over on TikTok. I am open to suggestions on what to try from the Adventure Time Cookbook. I actually have a list of options right here for you. So take a look at it. Pause to read if you want. I do have like at least 3 of the previous. This is like the 3rd or 4th thing that I've made from the Adventure Time Cookbook as well. And the other sweets that I made from it were fin cakes, and that also stressed me the fuck out. But I mean, it was like the fondant that really like got me messed up. But like, why are their sweets hard? They're like fancy as crap, dude. I don't know, but I gained experience and I know how to keep calm next time and know what to expect. I don't know why I was like, I was like, oh my god, this is just gonna be terrible. No, it's okay. Like it turned out okay and I'm happy with that. So yay! I guess that's all I really got for you guys today. What did you guys think of it? Do you guys like bundt cake? Do you have a favorite cake flavor? I do like a classic vanilla cake with ice cream. It is pretty good, but also I do like the sponginess of a freaking bundt cake. Dude, I'm such a baking bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry. I honestly do need to level up on my baking a lot because it is not good. But I mean, it's better than what it was before. You know, before I started doing any of this. Like this is the second one that made me the most stressful. The number one is always going to be the blueberry tart, I think. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking right now. I don't remember. Did I say that before? I don't know. I'm not consistent. But when I think about other times that I was like really, really stressed out from them, blueberry tart from the Stardew Valley Cookbook was the one that messed me up. But it turned out so beautiful. And like, yeah, it just turned out so beautiful. So, you know, at least you get through it. You get to the end. I'm happy with the result. And I guess that's all that matters. And I don't know. I hope you guys are happy with the result too. It was made with love, sweat, and tears. Okay, not like actually, because it's not like good to put in the ingredients of the cake, but metaphorically, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys ended up enjoying this video, please feel free to leave a like and or a comment. I mean, only if you want to, of course. I'm not too fast. If you liked this video, I do actually have a couple of cookbooks that I've done in the past. I'm currently going through the Adventure Time Cookbook, Gudetama Cookbook, and the Final Fantasy XIV Cookbook. And the only cookbook that I have finished going through currently is the Stardew Valley Cookbook. And I have done I did like a whole year. I feel like I really have learned a lot from that one too. It's really cool to just go through all these cookbooks, try new things, and continuing to try new things. And I don't know, I wouldn't trade it for anything. Knowledge is power, okay? But thank you guys again so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, right now or whatever. Okay, bye! Bye.